We know that sum of n terms of a GP is given as a times 1 minus r raised to the power n over 1 minus r, which can also be written as a minus a raised to the power n over 1 minus r, or a over 1 minus r minus a r raised to the power n over 1 minus r. If there are infinite number of terms in the GP, that means n tends to infinity and the absolute value of the common ratio is less than 1. In that case, r raised to the power n will tend to 0. So as r raised to the power n tends to 0, this part here will become 0. So we will be left with a over 1 minus r. Sum of infinite number of terms will be equal to a over 1 minus r, provided the modulus r or absolute value of r is less than 1.